Hello guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your Monopoly Go account permanently. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Monopoly Go application. Now, after opening the application, you will see an interface that will look something like this. Here, you'll have to simply click on the three-lined icon at the top right side of the screen. So click on this three-lined icon at the top right side and you will see this page where you'll have to click on the settings icon, that is a gear icon at the bottom. Now click on this manage account text button at the bottom in green. When you click on this button, you will see this pop-up that says disconnect, play with contact, new subscription, and at last account deletion. Click on the account deletion button and it will take you to this page, that is the deleting my account article. Here, the first article is about deleting the application. Second is about deleting your game account. So, if you want to delete your game account, please be aware that you will not receive a refund for any unused items you purchased or earned. You need to cancel any auto-renewable in-game subscription if you made any with the provider through which you initially made the subscription and which is authorized to charge your payment method before proceeding the deletion request. Now, after reading this, scroll down and simply click on this delete my account button. So, on this page you will get this button to delete your account. After clicking on that button, you'll have to simply enter your name in this field and your email in this field. Now after entering your name and email in these fields, you'll have to click on the next button, follow the prompts, answer the question asked in these fields, and you'd be successfully deleting your Monopoly Go account. So that's the simple process to delete your Monopoly Go account permanently. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.